Hi, I'm Emma Einen.
I'm Steve Einen, and together we are the founders of Phantom Factory, and we offer training and software services support for Project Haystack.
And we're actually official trainers for Project Haystack, and we're also considered as champions for the Project Haystack standard in the industry. Well, we actively contribute to the Project Haystack community, and we look to promote Project Haystack wherever we can.
I like Project Haystack because it's kind of a pure standard, and there's a lot of thought that has gone into it. Sure, you've got all the data modeling aspects, but what are you going to do with that data afterwards? I mean, it's pretty useless unless you can transfer it between machines and computers. And what the Project Haystack have done is that they've thought about all the communication protocols and the file formats and all these other bits that you need to actually use the data. But then if we think about the data modeling itself, that is also pretty unique. I mean, the way you use tags is very much like a natural language syntax. Is feels fresh, it's different, and it's so simple to apply that anyone can do it, but yet they've still got the rich depth behind it.
Well, we use it for our own data analytics for our training platform.
Yeah, that is, we use the Project Haystack approach and the modeling approach, so we can't actually use the building tags for our training and analytics. But that's for our own software. We also use it or employ it an awful lot when we're working with clients, because when we're working with clients, we do more building orientated type work. I think it's great because it saves me a lot of time. As a developer and a programmer, an extraordinary amount of my time is just done designing data, the structures for the data. Does it go in a list? Does it go into a map or a dictionary? How to format all that stuff? And what Project Haystack gives me is kind of like a predefined template of how I should go about structuring my data, so I don't have to give that any thought time, which then frees me up to spend time doing some real programming that I enjoy. And there's also the community out there with the forums and places you can ask questions, and the clients that we work with. So there's free flowing information, which just helps win the more community spirit in case you get stuck. As everyone should be aware, Project Haystack is born out of the buildings industry, or the building automation industry, and that is great, and it's servicing the needs very well. But I want to see Project Haystack grow beyond that. It's a standard that could be applied to anything, to any form of analytics. And that's where I want to see it grow. So what I don't like about it is the fact it's still limited to the buildings industry. I want to see it grow far beyond that.
Well, we offer software and consultancy services, and we have a training course now available for Project Haystack. So I guess just get in touch and talk to us.